Peeps! After a lengthy maintenance closure, Busch Gardens Williamsburg has reopened Verbolten today. Now, as you can see, sadly, we are not at the park, but as we've been doing for, we talked about this in our Alpengeist video that I'll link at the end of this, we're kind of revisiting our favorite rides, mostly the roller coasters, in honor of Busch Gardens Williamsburg's 50th anniversary, and today seems like an appropriate day to revisit Verbolten, which is kind of a ride that blends homage and innovation. And so we're going to talk a little bit about the history of Verbolten. We're going to talk about the ride itself, the queue experience, show you a classic POV of the ride. And so let's delve into that now. Our story begins in 1984 with the debut of the Big Bad Wolf, an aerodynamic suspended coaster that became a park icon. For 25 years, it thrilled guests with its unique swinging cars and dramatic drop over the Rhine River. However, in 2009, the Wolf took its final run, leaving behind cherished memories and a prime location for future adventures. Fast forward to September 17, 2011. Busch Garden announces Verbolten, a groundbreaking multi-launch coaster by German manufacturer Zira. Officially opening on May 18, 2012, Verbolten stands as a tribute to its predecessor, utilizing the same station, queue line, and even the iconic drop over the Rhine. Verbolten is an immersive journey where guests enter a German motor tours agency, operated by siblings Goethe and Günther Schwarzwald. The adventure begins on the Autobahn, but quickly detours into the mysterious Black Forest. Riders encounter one of three randomized storylines: a menacing forest spirit, a fierce lightning storm, or the haunting presence of the Big Bad Wolf as a nod to the ride's lineage. Verbolten boasts two launches, propelling riders to speeds up to 53 miles per hour. A standout feature is its 18-foot vertical freefall drop track, the first of its kind in the US. The ride then concludes with an 88-foot drop over the Rhine River, mirroring the finale of the Big Bad Wolf. One of the things I love most about Verbolten is its blend of storytelling, technology, and nostalgia. It actually kind of honors the past while embracing the future.
Remember, don't look back as you brave the Black Forest.
So thanks for joining us on this ride through the Black Forest. Actually, I have a couple of questions for you guys, because I would love to hear your comments down below. Where does Verbolten fall in your list of top rides at Busch Gardens Williamsburg? For me, I think Apollo's Chariot is my favorite roller coaster at the park, but I think Verbolten might be a pretty close second, especially because of the nostalgia it has for me as a lover of the original Big Bad Wolf. And now that Verbolten is open, when are you planning on riding it? I know, now that we're talking about it, I'm super excited to go ride it again. So definitely will be riding that on my next trip through the park. If you like these ride revisit videos, definitely give us a thumbs up on this video because it lets us know that you want more of them. Hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so that you're notified when we release more content. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.